Hey Triflings, welcome back. So in this video, we got our first PR as a couple.
Oh my god, take that, Jonathan and James. Yes.
It is from Nailtopia. Unfortunately, the hot weather over here in Las Vegas popped one of these open.
Yeah.
But it's okay. We're still gonna use it.
It made a really cool like splash pattern though that's all hardened after it.
I know. I was trying to clean it, but then I got lazy and I didn't. So I got trifling.
It's chaotic. It's chaotic art. We love that.
Alright, so it's from Nailtopia. It says, "Hi James and Ernie. We hope you enjoy these goodies for your nails. Thank you, Nailtopia." And then we have another one.
This one, we're gonna have to establish a word count, you guys. I'm just saying, okay. Dearest James and Ernie, here is our Love Yourself Pride nail kit. These 6 colorful shades complement everyone's nails and show that pride comes in all forms, just like our wide range of biosourced, plant-based vegan nail polish. Hey, shameless plug. Thank you so much and hope you both enjoy. Big fans of your channels, and every wig out there isn't completed without the James Mansfield Magical Wig Spray from Black Phoenix Alchemy Labs.
Wow.
Is there a PS?
Love, Jose from Nailtopia. Jose, so I know Jose is Carl's boyfriend. His boyfriend, Jose, works at Nailtopia. So shout out to Jose.
Hey,
and
Jose.
Shout out to Carl. Oh, it says, P.S. We managed to squeeze in a few extras. Our nail treatments, which are also vegan and infused with fruits and vegetables. Ooh, so if you didn't like fruits and vegetables when you were young, they're gonna be soaking through your nails now. PPS, so post. What does the S stand for PS? I always forgot.
PPS? I don't know.
Well, P is post, but what does the S stand for?
Post. Spending, cervix, I don't know.
Who knows? We don't know. we use PS all the time. We partnered with the Trevor Project for the Love Yourself kit. And this is the Love Yourself kit. 85% biosourced, superfood infused, 100% vegan, cruelty-free. Oh my god, like Mean Girls. Girl. Cruelty-free, all free, chip-free. All free? Is it all free?
There's no potato chips in it? I love that.
Alright, so
Low on carbs.
let's show what else we got.
Okay.
They sent us this big old box. Alright, so we have a Nailtopia Nails Are Strong kit for weak, frail nails that break and chip. So I guess these are... I don't know. I don't wear nail polish.
What are these? What are these? Like little vials of... Oh, it's nail polish.
There's more nail polish. What?
It kind of looks like an enema, but that's fun. I like that. Yes. Don't put that up here. Yeah. Anyways. Red, blue, pink. That's blue. I know my colors. There's so many. Oh my gosh. There's tons of little boxes. You should help me with these because there's a lot.
I'm modeling them.
Oh, how dear. This is violet blue.
A darker blue.
Turquoise blue.
Swamp Queen turquoise.
Sky blue. Okay, we have light pink.
Oh wait. The YouTube thing. It does look like an enema. Oh my god.
It does,
Stop
doesn't
squeezing
it? Like a fleet. There you go. There you go. Hot pink. Pink. That color.
Biosource chip free. This is the base coat. This is the base. This is what we thought this was, but I feel like this is like a nail care kit.
Probably.
Yeah, nails are firm kit for soft thin nails. So I'm pretty sure you probably put this on your nails. It probably has some kind of direction back here, but I don't feel like reading it right now.
It's just something you put on your nails, okay? This is a top coat.
The tack.
And this is a biosourced nail color. It's a taupey color. We have yellow.
Come on, yellow.
Green.
Oh my god, so I have a story about the color yellow.
Let's hear it.
So, growing up, I did not know English. So instead of saying yellow, I used to say jello. And everybody in school tried to tell me, it's not jello, it's yellow. I'm like, that's what I said, jello.
Is in your accent?
Yeah.
You did call pizza for a long time.
Oh, and we have green.
Blue.
And blue. But yeah, I did have an accent all the way till the end of middle school. Freshman high school is when it started going away.
I love that story. My favorite one's the one where you got chased with a machete.
Oh, that was back in Mexico when I was
That's
young.
for another time.
White
Lavender.
and lavender.
Pink. Or pinker pink.
And pinker. They know who they were sending this to.
Oh,
They have
yeah.
all sorts of pink.
They're not, I'm not sharing those. Okay, and we have 3 more. We have that blue, lavender, and coral. Which is pink. Yeah.
Alright, so what we're doing today is, you guys probably don't know, but most of James' nails I make, and I know you're probably wondering, like, what nails does James wear?
How dare you. When I feel like wearing nails, usually Ernesto will make them for me. If I have like some kind of big TV event or something, it's the only time I wear nails.
So yeah, so I bought these nails off of Amazon. They're blank nails, and we're just gonna use the Love Yourself kit and make rainbow nails.
Well, you are. I'm probably gonna dip into some of these fun colors.
Ooh. But yeah, let's get started. All right, we're back. Okay, so we have some tape. Are you recording?
Not yet.
Okay, James is gonna record with the phone because we don't have a sandbag filled right now. So
Our crane doesn't work. That's right, a crane. We have that kind of technology here on this production.
no, it's just we don't have a sandbag. It works. It's working for the boom mic.
We have a crane. That's what we have because we're a huge Hollywood production.
All right, so then James is gonna use the phone for the overhead shot. We just noticed on the break that they also send us some fresh avocado nail polish remover.
You know, inspired by your hair.
It did fade. If you haven't seen the Brad Mondo video, the XMONDO color, we're gonna link it down below. James likes my hair. It was blue, green was vibrant, but
Now it's
that's
sort of
an avocado color.
yeah, it's like a nice, freshly cut into avocado green.
Yeah.
Sort of starting to turn. Not yet. Not yet.
All right, so then let's hit record on that.
All right, I'm filming.
All right, so we have a set of nails here that we bought from Amazon. Now I do make James nails, but that does not make me a pro because I still cannot do a correct application on the nails. So it's gonna look streaky, and if y'all judge me,
Just judge him.
judge me with some
Honestly,
tips.
just judge him.
Better. Okay, so how do you want to start? So you want your thumb to be red?
I want my whole hand to be a rainbow, so I want red on the thumbs, and then you figure out the rainbow from there.
Do you need this? Because you only have 5 fingers and they give us 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Unless y'all made this for the people that have 6 fingers. 6 finger community do not come for me.
All inclusion, I love that, you know.
So should I take this one out?
Yeah, let's take that
This
one
one's
out.
not that bright, right?
That one's not even on a flag.
Alright, let's do this.
All right, so red. Yeah, it does not make you a pro, but it does make me cheap. So, you know, who's arguing here? Look at that application.
Wow, this is actually pretty.
That's beautiful.
No, I mean like this is like really good because I'm like usually it takes me like
One coat to get something durable out of it, yeah. Or a couple of coats, I should say.
yeah, a couple coats. This is just one coat and I dripped some back in here.
Love that.
Wow.
Zoom in.
Oh
Look
my
at the powerful
god.
Zoom in. Look at the table, it's all damaged from bleaching your hair. But look at that nail.
It's fine. It's fine. The table's gonna survive.
The table will be just fine. It is like 10 bucks at Walmart.
But yeah, I'm shook. Oh my god.
Come on, vegan, cruelty-free, stuff-free nail polish. Being all, you know, responsible to the environment and stuff.
I mean, I might just go on with another coat.
Just for funsies.
I mean, you don't know how this is gonna dry either, so I'm just talking right now.
That's true. Also, it's only the red nail polish so far. Red is pretty easy to formula.
Come on,
I've rarely had a bad red nail polish.
Okay, we're gonna try the yellow that
Will it open?
bled open. Hopefully still usable. If not, they sent us an extra. But look. Oh my god.
Look at that.
Alright, so wait. Oh, did we put this in order?
Yeah.
Okay.
So those are my thumbs. That's my index.
Okay.
That's my middle bad finger. That's that one finger next to it.
Alright, let's do
That's
this.
the pinky.
Moment of truth, is this still usable? I mean, it still looks like it could be usable.
We'll see.
Alright. I mean, this one, because it busted open, It's not as liquidy as the other one. So I'm gonna open the other one just to give it a fair shot. I'll do this nail with this one with a couple coats.
Yeah. Yeah, I can't believe that Vegas heat man just pressurized it and busted it right open. Explosion.
Ah, you see, this is where I'm not a pro.
That's also me placing it poorly on the tape.
Wow.
I sabotaged it.
Wow. Let me poke it in there.
Secret plan.
Alright, yeah. This is dry, that's why. So let me switch this yellow out.
Yeah. I'm sure it works lovely when it's not exploded.
Alright. Let me do the other nail though.
Okay. And you know what? We could always just throw that nail out and start again. Or I'll just not have a nail on that finger. I'll be like when I'm doing gigs.
Alright, there we go. Okay.
Oh yeah, see that's the base coat you were hoping for with the first application.
Yep. Like this yellow might need a second coat. Because that is not
what I'm seeing.
Not as opaque, but these are good. I live for these. Oh my god. I guess because I'm used to using the Wig Shop nail polish, the ones that's
Wig Shop ones,
the one that's 99 cents.
We're like, why is this makeup so shitty? I wonder why.
I'm gonna let these dry and then do the next one.
All right.
All right, so do you want to film the rest or should we just come back?
I'd say we should at least get green on.
All right, let's get green on.
Let me just press it down to make sure it's actually on there because I'm not sabotaging you anymore than I want to.
Come on, poopy green.
Yes. Color. Green. Green. Green.
You wish you had an accent.
I do. I have a Wisconsin accent. So everything I say sounds like it have a lisp to it. Or I like to get to that point where I'm so overwhelmed that all my words kind of combine together.
Ooh. Yeah, they're for this too. But I know I'm gonna go over it because no matter what, wear the second coat. The red one for me has been the best one.
It's the red for me.
Oh, I didn't really much in this one.
Well, you know what? You'll learn for next time.
But yeah, any pro nail people out there, what is the best way to apply nail polish? Because I'm not a pro.
They'll probably be all like, make sure you go to a salon now, professionally done. I don't know why they talk like that, but that's what I imagine pro nail people talk. Well, you should get your nails done at a salon.
For drag?
Yeah, right.
Alright, this one's gonna be your second coat. It's not as opaque, but it's fine. It's fine.
This is fine.
They've seen plenty of it.
What was it we want to talk about in this video? I feel like there was something you wanted to bring up.
Oh my god. Okay, hold on. This is gonna have to be after I'm done with this nail.
Okay.
Or after I'm done with some of this, let them dry. I'll talk in the let them dry portion.
Okay. Let them dry, let them dry. That's all I'm gonna sing to that melody because we can't afford that. They're looking cute and very gay.
Yeah,
Very festive, very summer, very equality.
I live for this nail polish. I'm definitely gonna go with the second coat just cause.
Like for funsies, you know?
The last one, purple!
Purple. Oh, see that one's heavy, I like that.
I also think because the other nails are like smaller, bigger, so it's gonna take a little bit more.
Yeah.
And these are just small.
That purple like really did it though. Like the stuff that have reds and blue in them seem to like really cover up quickly.
You know what I like about YouTube?
What?
There's always pros out there watching, ready to critique in the comment section, but you don't know is that you're actually helping me out. Because I learned something new, girl.
Maybe they meant it without malicious intent. We just took it that way.
Yeah.
Because we're defensive.
Yeah, we're defensive people. Alright, so these are the nails. Right now, I'm gonna go for with a second layer. But while those dry, I feel like I manifested something in the universe.
Yes.
So lately, I've been listening to a lot of NSYNC, and guess who just performed at WeHo? NSYNC, Lance Bass, and Joey, with two Backstreet Boy members, AJ and Nick. And I'm like, I feel like I manifested this. Me streaming their songs every morning, told the universe, bring them back. And all of a sudden, there's a lot of NSYNC going on right now.
You manifested it. This is your secret moment.
This is my moment.
You've done it.
I did this. Thank me later. But anyways, we're gonna let these dry and we'll be right back. I'm gonna do a second coat and James is just gonna put them on and we'll be right back.
BRB.
All right, while they were drying, I actually read the back of this and this is a nail treatment. So let's go.
Oh.
It says, this is how we do it. I'm just gonna read the bottom because it's a lot. But it says, apply 2 coats of the orange nail treatment to bare nails. Let dry. Apply 1 coat of the orange cuticle conditioner to cuticles. Massage in to achieve a better absorption. So it's a nail treatment. It has more of like the benefits and ingredients used back here. But yeah, finally figured out what this was. We just had to read.
You read that out and I just fully did like the Britney Spears on X Factor moment, which is like, army got kept.
You don't need these because you
Fascinating information.
All right, so now we will for real be right back.
Yeah, BRB.
They look fine, except for this yellow one because this is the one that had the dried nail polish on it. So now it has all these bubbles and stuff, but it's fine. In the future, before James goes out, we're just gonna gem tag some stones onto them. All right, we are back. James has the nails on. What do those nails scream?
These nails scream Google Drive. Or gay rights, I suppose, but it seems more like Google.
But yeah, these are some cute nail polishes.
Yeah, I have to say, and like again, like we really worked it out. Like as far as what it goes, like it only needed like 1 coat for some of them and 2 for the others, but these are actually pretty vibrant. And this yellow one, what happened here, Ernie?
That was the dried up one.
What happened here?
So we did the dry one, the one that busted open in the base, but then that didn't work out. So I was like, whatever, let me go over it with this one. But at that time, it was too late. She was dry, she was bumpy, she had bubbles.
I lost one.
Oh,
that was me though. I was playing too much with them.
the blue one?
The blue one came off.
All right, well, thank you, Carl and Jose, for sending us the Nailtopia Love Yourself kit. It was cute. I'm definitely gonna use a lot of these colors, especially everything that you sent us. Thank you. We're gonna see James with nails again out in public.
Yes, big old long demon claws like this. You know what they say? You can't spell Pride Month without demon.
Or if you don't see him rocking some nails, you're gonna have him rocking some fresh nails and cuticles using the Nailtopia nail treatment, the firm kit. Nails are firm kit.
Yes. I feel like I have to do this with like this. All right,
well that was it. That was the Nailtopia nails. And we will see you later, so stay trifling.
Bye.
Deuces.
Bye.